So hello everybody and welcome back to my channel, Texas Decor and More. Well, today in this video I took all my cleaning products out. I wanted to see what I had. Here's me digging through my cleaning cabinet, organizing, rearranging, and just trying to see, what I needed to fill up, change, do, organize, things like that. I had so much stuff in here that I didn't even really know what I had. So I don't know what happened with the lighting here either, but it got all messed up. But back to regular programming, we cleaned out that cabinet. There it is, all organized. Now I know what I have, how many of things I have, and all the things. Moving to the kitchen area. Not really dirty, just cluttered and need to do some dishes. As always, gonna make some chili later on. Need to wash that pan. And also, yeah, that pan looks disgusting. It's actually a pot, not a pan. That's gonna get washed up as well. So that's a bunch of trash I've already collected. Getting the water ready for the dishes to be washed. Hate washing dishes, y'all. Hate washing dishes. Didn't film me washing dishes, but yeah, those did definitely get washed. And, well, not in the video, but they got washed soon after. I just didn't film it. Little ASMR with the soap and water right there. So this is filmed on a Saturday, grabbing those Amazon packages off the porch. That is Christmas decor. All of that is Christmas. We're going to be doing a Christmas haul probably in an upcoming video, and I really need to remove the Halloween rug that I still have left outside. So here's my chili. I've been working on that. It's a few hours later. My chili is done. My kitchen is mostly clean. Look, I got all that cleaned up. Everything off my shelf is gone. We're just going to be wiping down these countertops. Really, really good. And I try to show y'all, like on the paper towel, like the cabinets were disgusting and they did need to be wiped down, but for some reason it doesn't show up as clear on the camera as what it actually showed, like in person, in real life. I am scrubbing down everything, wiping down everything. I want a really clean kitchen. I was actually going to go ahead and pull all the dishes out of the cabinets and wipe all the inside of the cabinets before Thanksgiving, and we'll probably still do that before Thanksgiving in a video. I want to do a really, really deep clean on my house before Thanksgiving Day. So we're going to probably do a video of that, taking all the dishes and everything out of the sinks and wiping down all the countertops and doing a really, really good deep clean. But for now, we're just doing, the daily stuff that needs to be done to keep your house sanitary. That's what we're doing in this video. Also in this video, if you've made it this far and you're still listening to me jabber along, I'm going to be going into the bedroom. I also washed some sheets. I did a lot of laundry behind the scenes in this video. I think I did 4 loads of laundry this day. 4 loads. Yeah. And whew, I have been folding clothes all day. When I started the video this morning, like I said, it was in the morning, and this is me at night because I cooked chili, I did laundry, I folded laundry, but I just didn't film all of that. Here I am taking the rest of this alcohol and pouring it into the new, well, I had 2 alcohol bottles, I'm just refilling one so I don't have 2 bottles in there taking up space. That's what I'm doing. That's what I'm trying to tell y'all. But we're going to cue the music and we're going to continue on cleaning in this video, and I hope y'all enjoy. Smell. Can y'all see that? I actually smelled the blanket. It smelled amazing. I was like, what's that smell? Dang, that blanket smells really good. These sheets smell really good. So I was like, what is that smell? I did good on the washing of the blanket today. We are coming to the end of the video. I'm going to just be turning my curtains back. I had them open so I could see this little bit of sunlight. It was a really cloudy day and I didn't have any sun, but this was later on